Hello everybody, this is my another invention. Not really invention, but I got a friend who's an electrician, and he collects the wires for recycling, and he had some hard time to clean the insulation off of it, so he was using a knife, and I decided to help him out. I built this a hand tool that cleans the insulation. It can take from number 8 up to, let's say, number 2/0, up to 2/0. So let me just show you how I got this. I built this. I used just a pipe cutter, and this blade, it was sideways, so I did some work inside. Now I got this flipped this way. You got a couple bearings over here. That's where the wire goes. And this is just that the wire goes straight, doesn't fall off these bearings right here. And I got this tensioner that keeps the wire in place. It's pretty light. It's all aluminum except that, and it cleans the wire really quick and easy. Alright, well, let's see. This is how you adjust the gauge. Alright, let me show you how it cleans the wire. I got number 8 over here. This is number 8. So that goes here, right in here. And all you do is just hold it like this, and nice grip, and you just pull, and that's how it cuts the insulation, nice and straight. Alright, let's see. There we go. Here we go. Nice and clean, and easy, and fast. So just throwing some ideas out there. There we go. I actually like this thing. Hope he will like it too. Huh? Thank you for watching.